Most men think women fall for looks, money, or fancy words. But psychology says something very different. The right words, said in the right way, can trigger deep emotional attraction. Today, you will learn compliments so powerful that they work on the mind, not just the ears. These are not cheesy lines. These are psychological keys inspired by timeless wisdom, including the mindset of Marcus Aurelius. Now let's begin. Compliment number 1 is about emotional intelligence. Instead of focusing on her appearance, you say something like, "I like how calm you stay even when things get stressful." This works because women are attracted to emotional stability. Marcus Aurelius taught that controlling your inner world is true power. When you recognize this quality in her, she feels respected, not objectified. This compliment tells her you see her character, not just her face. Compliment number 2 targets individuality. You can say, "You're different from most people in a good way." Psychology shows that people feel attraction when they feel unique. This activates a sense of identity validation. But the key is your tone. You say it casually, not desperately. Calm confidence makes the compliment feel real, not manipulative. Compliment number 3 is about presence. You say, "I feel relaxed when I talk to you." This triggers emotional safety. Women are naturally drawn to men who create peace, not pressure. Marcus Aurelius believed that a calm soul is magnetic. When she hears this, she subconsciously associates you with comfort and stability. Compliment number 4 focuses on her mind. You have a really interesting way of thinking. This works because intelligence-based attraction lasts longer than physical attraction. Many men ignore this level, so when you acknowledge it, you separate yourself instantly. You are not competing with other men anymore. Compliment number 5 is about values. You say, "I respect how you stand by what you believe in." Respect is one of the strongest attraction triggers. This aligns with Stoic philosophy, where virtue matters more than opinion. When a woman feels respected, emotional walls begin to drop naturally. Compliment number 6 is subtle confidence. You don't try to impress anyone, and that's rare. This compliment rewards authenticity. Psychology shows that people feel drawn to those who are comfortable being themselves. By saying this, you position yourself as someone who notices depth, not noise. Compliment number 7 activates emotional memory. You say, "Talking to you stays on my mind longer than I expect." This creates curiosity and emotional engagement. It is not needy, it is honest and calm. Women fall for men who express interest without attachment. Compliment number 8 is about strength. You handle life with a quiet strength. Marcus Aurelius often wrote about silent resilience. This compliment connects her to a powerful self-image. People are attracted to those who see their strength before they even say it themselves. Compliment number 9 focuses on energy. Your energy changes the mood around you. This works because attraction is emotional contagion. She starts to associate herself with positive impact. You are not praising beauty, you are praising influence. Compliment number 10 is about trust. I feel like I can be myself around you. Vulnerability, when expressed with control, creates deep emotional bonding. This shows confidence, not weakness. According to psychology, mutual authenticity accelerates attraction faster than physical flirting. Compliment number 11 highlights maturity. You respond instead of reacting, and that says a lot about you. This triggers admiration. Emotional maturity is rare, and women value it highly, especially for long-term attraction. Compliment number 12 connects future imagination. Any man who truly knows you will be lucky. This is powerful because it is indirect. You are not claiming her. You are acknowledging her worth calmly. Marcus Aurelius taught detachment from possession, and this compliment reflects that mindset perfectly. Here's the most important rule. Compliments only work when your inner state matches your words. If you are desperate, women feel it. If you are calm, grounded, and self-respecting, Your words carry weight. Attraction is not created by lines. It is created by presence. Now that you know the compliments, the next question is more important. Why do some men say the right words and still fail, while others say very little and create strong attraction? The answer is delivery, timing, and inner state. Psychology is clear on this point. Words do not create attraction alone. The emotional frame behind the words does. First, let's talk about delivery. A compliment should never sound like a request for approval. If your tone rises at the end of the sentence, it feels insecure. Say compliments slowly, calmly, and without expectation. Marcus Aurelius believed that self-control is the highest form of strength. When your voice reflects control, your words carry authority. The biggest mistake men make is over-explaining after a compliment. They say something meaningful and then ruin it by justifying it. For example, saying, "You're really thoughtful," and then adding, "Because you did this and that, and I really noticed, and I don't usually say this," weakens the impact. Strong men state and stay silent. Let the compliment land. Timing is the second psychological key. Compliments work best when they are unexpected. Not when she posts a photo. Not when she is seeking validation. Say it during normal conversation, during a quiet moment, or after she handles something well. This creates emotional contrast, which deepens attraction. Another powerful rule is spacing. Compliments should not be frequent. Scarcity increases value. When compliments are rare, they feel real. Marcus Aurelius warned against excess in all things. The same rule applies here. Too many compliments feel cheap. Few well-placed compliments feel memorable. Now let's talk about eye contact and body language. A compliment with weak posture feels empty. Stand relaxed, shoulders open, breathe slowly. When you give a compliment, hold eye contact for 1 second longer than normal, then release. This signals confidence without pressure. Psychology also shows that women respond strongly to emotional alignment. This means your compliment should match the moment. If she is serious, don't be playful. If she is calm, don't be intense. Emotional mismatch creates discomfort. Emotional alignment creates connection. One of the most powerful attraction triggers is non-attachment. After giving a compliment, do not wait for a reaction. Do not look for reassurance. Continue the conversation naturally. This tells her you are centered and self-sufficient. Marcus Aurelius practiced acceptance without expectation. This mindset is extremely attractive. Now let's discuss compliments that fail. Compliments about body parts often create short-term attention, but long-term distance. Compliments that sound rehearsed create distrust. Compliments given to impress remove your power. Attraction psychology is simple here. Women are drawn to men who express, not perform. Another common mistake is using compliments to cover insecurity. If you feel you need to compliment to keep her interest, you are already losing the frame. Compliments should be a bonus, not a tool. Confidence comes from knowing your value even in silence. Silence itself is a form of attraction. After a strong compliment, a pause allows emotion to rise. Most men rush to fill silence because they feel uncomfortable, but calm silence signals dominance and ease. Marcus Aurelius wrote that stillness strengthens the mind. It also strengthens attraction. Let's talk about emotional pacing. Attraction grows in waves, not all at once. Compliments should increase gradually, not all in one conversation. This creates anticipation. Emotional pacing makes her curious about what you will say next time, not bored by what you already said. Another key factor is congruence. Your lifestyle must support your words. If you compliment her confidence but act insecure yourself, the compliment loses credibility. Women are extremely sensitive to inconsistency. Live the qualities you admire. Compliments work best when combined with boundaries. When you respect your time, your space, and your standards, your words gain weight. Marcus Aurelius believed that self-respect is the foundation of all virtue. Attraction follows self-respect naturally. Now let's move into real-life application. Compliments only become powerful when they fit the situation. Psychology shows that context decides impact. The same words can feel attractive or awkward depending on how and when they are used. So let's break this down calmly and clearly. First, texting. Text is dangerous territory for compliments because tone is missing. This means you must be more minimal. One strong sentence is enough. For example, instead of writing long emotional messages, you simply say, "You have a grounded way of seeing things." Then stop. Do not add emojis. Do not explain. Let her mind do the work. Attraction grows in the space you leave behind. Never stack compliments in text. One compliment per conversation is enough. If she responds positively, you stay relaxed. If she doesn't react much, you also stay relaxed. Non-reactivity is confidence. Marcus Aurelius taught that external reactions should not control your inner state. This rule alone separates strong men from needy ones. Now let's talk about first meetings. In person, timing matters more than words. Do not compliment her immediately. Let the interaction breathe. Observe her behavior. When she shows a quality naturally, that is your moment. For example, after a thoughtful comment, you say calmly, "You notice things most people miss." This feels earned, not forced. During long conversations, compliments should support connection, not interrupt it. If she is sharing something personal, do not jump in with praise too quickly. Listen fully. Then, after she finishes, you can say, "I respect how openly you talk about this." This makes her feel safe and understood. Emotional safety is one of the strongest attraction triggers. Now let's address emotional moments. If she is stressed or vulnerable, this is not the time for flirtatious compliments. This is where depth creates attraction. You can say, "You handle pressure better than you think." This reinforces her strength without trying to gain anything from her. Women remember men who support without agenda. Psychology also shows that attraction increases when a woman feels seen over time. This means your compliments should evolve. Early compliments focus on character and presence. Later compliments can become more personal, but still controlled. For example, later you might say, "You've become someone I genuinely enjoy having in my space." This signals value without dependency. Another important point is humor. Light humor combined with a compliment reduces pressure. For example, "You're calm in chaos," which is honestly unfair to the rest of us. This creates warmth and ease. Attraction grows faster when emotions feel natural, not heavy. Let's talk about rejection and distance. If a woman pulls back, do not increase compliments. This is where most men fail. Pulling back yourself restores balance. Compliments during distance feel like chasing. Silence during distance feels confident. Marcus Aurelius believed that chasing what escapes only weakens the mind. Compliments should never be used to negotiate interest. If she likes you, compliments deepen it. If she doesn't, compliments won't convince her. Accepting this truth makes you emotionally powerful. Women are attracted to men who are okay either way. Now let's discuss consistency. The strongest compliment is behavior. If your actions are calm, reliable, and grounded, your words feel real. If your behavior is chaotic, no compliment will save you. Attraction psychology confirms this again and again. Words follow energy, not the other way around. Another powerful concept is mirroring. If she compliments you, receive it calmly. Say, "Thank you," and move on. Do not return a compliment immediately out of obligation. Delayed response shows independence. Marcus Aurelius practiced gratitude without attachment. This mindset creates quiet confidence. Let's talk about masculine frame. Compliments should come from abundance, not need. This means you compliment because you choose to, not because you want something back. Women feel this difference instantly. A compliment given freely carries weight. A compliment given to gain approval feels hollow. One overlooked detail is pace of speech. Slow speech signals certainty. Fast speech signals anxiety. When giving a compliment, slow down slightly. Lower your voice. This triggers subconscious trust. Psychology shows that calm vocal tones are associated with leadership and safety. Now let's bring everything together. Compliments are not tricks. They are expressions of awareness. Marcus Aurelius wrote that a man should speak only what aligns with truth and reason. When your compliments reflect truth, grounded in self-respect, attraction becomes a natural byproduct. The goal is not to make women fall for you. The goal is to become a man whose presence feels steady, honest, and emotionally safe. Compliments are simply one reflection of that presence. Attraction grows where there is calm confidence, emotional intelligence, and self-control. When those are in place, even a few simple words can stay in her mind far longer than you expect. Most people scroll for entertainment, but you stayed for understanding. That already puts you ahead. If this video added value to your thinking, press like and help this message reach the right audience. Share it with anyone who needs to hear that attraction starts from inner strength. And subscribe to the channel if you want consistent content on psychology, discipline, and ancient wisdom applied to modern life. This is only the beginning.